Good afternoon, tutor and classmates. I will present a tourist package to the city of Manizales, where we will know its tourist places and its representative food. Manizales is a city in the mountainous coffee region of western Colombia. It is known for its cultural events, steep streets, and view of the nearby Nevada volcano. The cost of the package are the following. The trip is made by bus. It is a cost of 75,000 Colombian pesos. The place of lodging will be chosen on the preference of each one. We have the hotel 80,000 Colombian pesos for each night, and the glamping 110,000 each night. Inside the city, there will be a tourist tour with a cost of 150,000 Colombian pesos. These places are the big point of the Basilica with cost of 15,000 Colombian pesos per entrance. Los Nevados National Parks insurance under 25 years, 9,000 Colombian pesos, over 25 years, 17,000 Colombian pesos. The entrance Cyprus Tower ticket, 7,000 Colombian pesos. The food is for the 4 days in typical restaurants where they have incredible prices. The breakfast for 4 days has a cost of 55,000 Colombian pesos. The lunch for 4 days, 70,000 Colombian pesos, and dinner for 4 days, 70 Colombian pesos. All this you can acquire with a luxury vacation in the world capital of coffee. Thank you so much.